How to insert a video in PowerPoint presentation. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to insert a video on your PowerPoint. What you need to do is open your software or your PowerPoint application. Once you are on the application, what you need to do is you choose this slide where you want the video to be inserted, and then you just need to click on insert, and on the rightmost portion of the tools you just need to click on video, and you have an option to download a video that you have on your PC. And you just need to browse in your files, and you can resize and readjust the video to make sure that it would fit into your slide. Another thing here that you can do is that you can add another video. For example, we will add another video on another slide. So if you currently don't have any video saved on your computer, what you can do is you can actually use the link or the URL of the video that you want to be on the PowerPoint. So when you click on video, you have the option either use the files on your PC or you can have the link, and you just wait for it to load up, and there you have it. This is the link that I have embedded into the account so that you'll be able to view the video. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.